So this is our Blindspace, our 100, 150, 300 bracket that lets us easily install a Lutron 100 series, 150 series, or 300 series Lutron shade into the Blindspace 130 by 130 pocket. The bracket is able to just swivel into place, slide your adjustment left or right to get the alignment that you need. And then there are 2 holes for 2 set screws so that the bracket can't twist out after the installation. 2 parts that, once assembled, give us a left-hand bracket, a right-hand bracket, or either the left or the right-hand bracket can be used for an intermediate bracket.